So good.
I'm obsessed. Cheers. Ow! Good morning. I get asked all the time, Jess, what do you eat throughout the day? Great question, and it does change all the time. But I thought, instead of just telling you, why don't I show you? So today, I am going to share with you everything I eat starting right now. After you wake up and after you've slept for 8 or so hours, your body is dehydrated. So I always leave a big jug of water next to my bed, and first thing I do is hydrate my body and drink water. Step number 2, obviously I put on workout clothes because I am a workout in the morning type person. Then what I do is I make my bed. You guys all know I am a morning routine enthusiast. Fun fact, if you wake up and you just make your bed right off the bat, it takes 2 minutes, guess what? First win of the day. You've already accomplished something. Just make your bed. Step number 1. Then I come out to my living room, and of course, I can't start my day until I do my morning routine checklist. But before I actually fill out my checklist, I make myself a cup of hot water with lemon. Ow! That's hot. Maybe you should wait for the water to cool down a little bit before you can sip, but still, cheers! I truly believe how you start your day not only sets the tone for that day, but your entire life. I actually created my very own morning routine checklist. Value is a 5-step morning routine practice. Value is an acronym. V is for visualize. This is when you set an intention for the day and you really visualize what your day is gonna look like. A is for action. So this is when you actually pull out your calendar and you figure out when and how you're gonna accomplish your 3 to-dos that day. The most successful people in the world have a morning routine and a healthy childhood spirit. L is for love. Now this step is what sets my morning routine apart from all the others. Because not only are you writing down what you're grateful for to express love for yourself, but you express love to one special person who's on your mind that morning. So what I do is I actually grab my phone every single morning and I send a voice memo to whoever's on my mind that I'm grateful for that morning. So I'm gonna do it right now. U is unplug. So this is when you put your phone down after you sent your message and you read a book, or maybe you meditate. And then E is for exercise, and I gotta get going because my exercise starts in 10 minutes. And I watch my workout. Abs are also made in the kitchen. So it is so important to have protein within 30 minutes after a workout. I always come home after my workout, after my shower, and I make my morning shake. And this is how I make it. Protein powder. I do a little mixture of chocolate and vanilla. Collagen. This is from Vital Proteins. It's really good for hair, skin, nails, joints, and bones. Maca powder. Cacao with ashwagandha. Cinnamon. Sometimes I'll add some sweetener. Ice. Always add my flax milk and water. I used to use almond milk until I found out that it takes a gallon of water to produce 1 single almond. I switched to flax milk. I'm obsessed. There's only 6 ingredients in here. Gluten-free, nut-free, soy-free. Basically, it's flax and water. And it's from Malibu, just up the street from me. Cheers. I love my strong coffee. Tastes delicious. And, of course, some veggies with hummus. So good. I love leftovers, especially when it's home-cooked meals. I got my protein, my greens, my veggies. This is cauliflower rice, sauteed veggies. Oh, and of course, I'm big on my LaCroix. Sea salted caramels. It's from this company, Sweet Apricity. It's like all organic, so if you want something sweet, it's like a healthy little snack. This is definitely one of my go-tos. Organic honey, coconut cream, organic coconut palm sugar. So it's like all organic.
So good.
So excited because I'm actually going to dinner with one of my girlfriends who I haven't seen in forever. We are getting Mexican food, my favorite. I already started to drink. You guys know me. I'm drinking this Kyla If you guys like kombucha, which is really good for your gut, they make hard ones now. This whole bottle is only 100 calories, 2 grams sugar, it's gluten-free, it's really good, so cheers. Well, I'm not sure what I'm gonna get for dinner yet, but I'm guessing it'll probably be a salad with some type of protein, dressing on the side, always. So if you put it on the side and then you just dunk your fork in the dressing little bowl, and then you dig into your salad, it saves you a lot of calories, and in my opinion, I think it tastes better. I am for sure getting a spicy margarita, 1, maybe 2. I asked for it skinny. It's less agave, so it's not as sweet, and I love the spice.